Hello everyone, I am Li Mingjing. Front of this modern factory is Zhixuan Equipment Industrial Park with an integrated design of research development and production. Follow my lens to appreciate the style of our industrial park. The brand was founded in 2015. The company's main founder has been in the metal products industry for 40 years. The company is located in Nantong Rugao City, Jiangsu Province, China. High-end Equipment Industrial Park is a professional commitment to metal products production solutions of high-tech enterprises. In 2011 we developed a new generation of servo direct drive technology. Zhixuan was established as the global sale department of Zhixuan, 11 years of direct drive focus. And finally the mature direct drive technology applied to metal products equipment, international initiative, leading the industry technology upgrade to servo direct drive drawing equipment as the basis, extending up and down by equipment products, sold to all parts of the domestic and abroad, and with a number of large enterprises at home and abroad to establish long-term strategic partnerships. The park covers an area of 76 acres, plant a total of more than 50,000 square meters. The number of employees more than 200 people, of which college and secondary professional talents accounted for 50%. In front of us is our modern production workshop. In front of our right is the modern integrated office building. Now we come to the first floor hall of the office building, and then my colleagues will say hello to you. Next we came to the restaurant with modern atmosphere. Food is the first necessity of the people. Creating a good dining environment for employees is also the unshirkable responsibility. This kind of modern restaurant, for young people to provide more rest areas, more dining environment, better meals, to provide employees with a rich nutritional health protection. Next we went to the conference reception area. On one side of the corridor there are two conference reception rooms. On the other side is our training room. In the training room can accommodate 260 people. Can train employees in various skills. Next, everyone follows my footsteps. We move to the second floor. Come with me. Before entering the second floor, we have a modern spiral ladder, and now we have reached the second floor. You can see that there is a spacious and open office area on the left and right sides. Multi-department co-located in one room, co-working only for efficient service for you. This is our parts workshop. In this workshop, we'll complete the parts of the assembly. Every part, every component, has its designated storage area. Each part components have their own storage place, and there is a clear guide sign. Here is the final assembly area of the take-up. Here to complete the assembly of the take-up, all the take-up we have to carry out a no-load test, in some special areas. Special equipment we also have to carry out load testing, to ensure that each of our take-up can meet the user's requirements. Here is the motor assembly area, where the motor assembly is completed will be completed on the motor performance, the beat of the capstan for a multifaceted test. This area is our dies assembly area. After the dies assembly is completed, we will carry out a water and electricity test. This is very important. Here we have a standard plug-in interface, a standard water interface, where the pressure is greater than the pressure on the wire drawing machine, so after the test is completed, it will be better to apply the back equipment above. All the components must be comprehensively tested. The test can be passed in order to flow the next process, so that each component is 100% qualified, into the assembly workshop. This is our electrical equipment workshop, not only to complete the assembly of the electrical cabinet but also to complete the welding assembly of the cable, in the production process of the electrical cabinet to firmly implement the Zhixuan culture. After the production is completed, after the inspection is completed, a black dot is clicked on the line, and the quality inspector will add a red dot after the inspection. After double layer inspection, to ensure that each cable can be correctly connected according to the figure, in order to achieve the landing is open. Each line has its own identity, convenient for users to check, replace, repair later. Here is the plastic workshop. Due to the needs of the market and the industry, we will complete the production of a new generation of grooves here. The grooves are mainly used for pickling, copper plating, galvanizing, washing and other processes. In this workshop we'll complete CNC cutting, processing, welding and other processes. Welcome to the assembly workshop, next to the RAV equipment, the equipment here to complete the final assembly and testing. In The assembly workshop, there will be no load tests for conventional products with water, electricity, gas. There are also load tests for the development of new products. In addition to providing equipment, wire and cable, water and gas interfaces, in some surface treatment equipment, and plating equipment products, we also provide cable tray waste treatment connection main pipe, so that users save time and worry. Due to the impact of the epidemic, the export equipment personnel cannot go to the scene for installation, and all the export equipment will also complete the load test in the assembly workshop to ensure that works conveniently like the washing machine. Here is the electrical maintenance workshop. The electrical components involved in the equipment will be here to complete the test maintenance and packaging. In some of the process requirements of the more niche areas, we have developed a variety of electronic products, the process and equipment organically combined together. Now is the last part for the factory area, physical and chemical laboratory, modern high-end physical and chemical laboratory equipped with a variety of detection instruments. This is a fully automatic intelligent constant humidity incubator. This is a wire torsion test machine. This is an electronic tension test machine. This is an atomic absorption photometer, laboratory implementation to collect samples for testing. Quality assurance and performance standards are our responsibilities that we have been adhering to. We often say that there is no right to speak without practice, so we do a large number of related experiments from the basis of materials, obtain scientific and accurate data, and provide strong support for our equipment research and development. Clean and comfortable working environment, young and upward working team, moving forward with dreams, through technological innovation, to achieve production line civilization, you and Zhixuan to create a better future. I will welcome you in Zhixuan.